So yes, good day guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to check the specs of your PC. So let's go ahead to your file manager. So open your file explorer, then right click on this PC, locate this particular one, then right click on it. The next thing to do is to click on the properties. So I'm clicking on properties. I can just check Alt plus enter. So this is how to check it. So you can see your storage, you can see your graphics card, you can see your installed RAM, and you can see the processor, that's the CPU. You can also go down to locate your device specifications. So this is my device specifications there. I can go ahead to rename my PC, and you can take a screenshot of this. And this is basically just how to see what my specification of my PC is. So you can also see the Windows specification. I'm using Windows 11 Pro and all. So that is basically how to do this. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.